At Oglethorpe, we understand that excellence develops one student at a time. We understand that excellence comes in all shapes and sizes, informed by distinct personality types, passions, and experiences. We accept the challenge to take each student as they are and prepare them for the future they cannot even imagine yet. At Oglethorpe, you can be truly, fully successful while being truly, fully, authentically yourself. I have spent over 25 years in higher education because I believe that a life spent that way, a life dedicated to assuring opportunities for others, is the most meaningful life that I could lead. And at this moment in my career, and at this moment in local, national, and global history, I cannot imagine a better place to do that than Oglethorpe University. Thank you for this privilege.